Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Vaishali. I am an architect and interior designer, and on this channel I make videos related to interior designing and architecture. Now in today's video I'm going to talk about the wardrobe options that are available, and also I will specifically talk about the Aristo wardrobes. This will give you an overall idea of how you can go about selecting the wardrobe for your bedroom. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with this video. There are multiple options available for wardrobes for bedrooms. There are hinged wardrobes, there are sliding wardrobes, there are walk-in wardrobes, sliding folding wardrobes. So there are multiple options. But at the moment, people usually prefer sliding wardrobes because it does not take a lot of space while opening the shutters. But again, if you don't have a lot of budget and you do want to get a swing wardrobe, because there are definitely good designs available in swing wardrobes as well. So I'll take you guys along with me where the Aristo wardrobe is getting installed. I'll show you the site images, site videos and everything, and I'll also talk about the details, material and finishes. Also I'll talk about the pricing of the wardrobe. So overall it will tell you about the material, finishes, internal material finish, the core material, the shutters, the channels, the lock and everything. This video will give you all the information about Aristo wardrobes. Also the size that I'm going to be talking about is 6x9, and 6x9 the loft is included. So if you want to go without loft, then the pricing will reduce, but it doesn't make any sense. There is like 20 to 30k difference wardrobe with lofts and wardrobe without lofts. So it's better you go with the loft storage, because any which way in future you'll need more storage, so it's better you go with the loft storage. So starting with the pricing of the Aristo wardrobe, and the size that I'm considering here is 6x9. It will cost you about 1.56 lakhs. Now this is as per my experience and the quotation that I have received and I have given to the clients. This is on the basis of that. This is including the loft storage, and also this comes with the standard fittings or channels, and everything is included in this. For accessories you will have to pay extra because it does not come with a lot of accessories, but definitely there is going to be few things in which one thing is lock. Lock for the shutter is by default in that standard pricing, but apart from that, if you need few other accessories like pant holder, shirt holder, tie holder, if you want these things, then you will have to pay extra for that. And the channels will be from Hettich, which is the standard by default soft close channels. And also for the partition, the internal division, there are multiple options available from which you can select which kind of internals you want. Now if I'll get into the shutter designs, it's very confusing because in their standard range they have few designs fixed in which you can just change the finishes and the materials and the colors, and in their premium range you can get it customized according to your choice. But there are some standard things which are fixed, like the partitions and the joints, the size of the joints, these are fixed. So if you'll visit their site once, you'll understand what is the standard range and what is the premium range. Now if I'll talk about this particular wardrobe which is getting installed on site, the material, the core material is taken as commercial ply, and the internal finish of that carcass is laminate. The shutters are not installed yet, but I will share the final product with you. The shutters are usually made in MDF. So currently this is how the wardrobe looks. Drawers and everything is fixed, the partitions and everything is done. Now if you can see the details that they have done, the internal division details. So this is the left side, they have this kind of module, and right side they have this kind of module. So this you can decide as per your own choice. And as you can see, the drawers are soft close drawers, the channels and everything is soft close, and these are from Hettich. And this is the full height wardrobe. This is 6x9. Now BWR ply is not recommended for internal material, core material, because it costs you even more and it's not usually recommended. You can even take HDHMR material, but I would suggest rather go with commercial ply. For wardrobes, I think it works the best. Now let's talk about different finishes. What all finishes you can get for shutters. You can get the combination of mirror, lacquered glass, acrylic. Then you can take laminate. So there are multiple things that you can do. You can even do fabric, wallpaper or leather or those things on the shutters. So what I would usually recommend is to go with the acrylic, either acrylic finish or lacquered glass finish. Both of them looks super amazing. And also if you are taking the double door sliding wardrobe, then you can do a complete mirror on one panel and lacquered glass on the other side. So if you have a smaller room, in that case you don't have a place for a separate dressing area and you don't have any corner where you can actually get the dressing table fixed. That is what we have done here on the similar site in different bedrooms. So this is a simple thing that you can do for dressing table alternative. Now the difference in the standard shutter designs and premium shutter designs is the joint that I have already told you. Number of reams or number of joints will increase, and usually shutters are made up of MDF and they usually weight 70 kgs each. The upgraded version or the premium version of Aristo wardrobe is the Armadio. That also I'll share a few examples. Now in this you can have multiple kind of designs, and you can have clear glass wardrobes, full height wardrobes. These Armadio wardrobes are the upgraded version because you can go above 9 feet height in these wardrobes, which is not the case with Aristo. You can maximum go up to 9 feet in Aristo, but in Armadio you can go up to 9 feet 7 inches height. That is genuinely very good option. But the pricing for these is definitely higher. These are premium range. It goes above 2 lakh. So that is the case with Armadio. And usually Aristo wardrobes are basically known for their mechanism. You will not feel any alignment issues in future. The mechanism will be so smooth. The shutters will be soft close by default. There will be provision of lock already by default in the shutters. So you can visit their website and check out all the terms and conditions on their website. So it will give you an idea what I'm talking about. Now another thing that I want to discuss about Aristo wardrobe is the framing of the shutters. So now if you'll take any example of any design, there is this framing all around the shutter. There are 4 finishes available in the standard range, which is gold, silver, chrome and champagne. Here in the example you can see we have selected the gold framing for the wardrobe. This video is basically to educate you about the basics of Aristo. This is trending so much right now, and more people are getting Aristo done in their bedrooms rather than getting hinge wardrobe or swing wardrobe or sliding folding. So Aristo wardrobe is definitely something which is a very good option for your bedroom because of its smooth mechanism, because of no alignment issues in future, and also 1.5 lakh for such good quality wardrobe is, I think, definitely you should invest in something like that. This is not a sponsored video, this is just my personal experience. I felt that Aristo wardrobe is doing so much better in last 2-3 years. So I would definitely recommend you guys, if you're looking for sliding wardrobe options, then definitely go with Aristo because they do come in premium wardrobe category, even if there are standard and premium range in Aristo already there. But Aristo itself is a premium range of wardrobe which you can get for your bedroom. So this entirely sums up my video. I hope you guys find this video informative and helpful. I tried to cover as many things as possible about the Aristo wardrobe. If in case I missed something, do let me know in the comments down below. If you like the video, then do give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel for more informative videos related to interiors. And that's all for this video guys. I will see you very soon in my next video.